How to make Claude remember your chat history 2026 full guide. Want Claude AI to remember your previous conversations, preferences, and ongoing projects automatically. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable Claude's memory feature and make Claude remember your chat history across different conversations in 2026. This guide works for both desktop and mobile versions of Claude AI. First, open Claude AI and log into your account. Once you're inside Claude, click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. From there, open Settings. Now look for the section called Capabilities or Memory Preferences. This is where Claude's new memory system is managed. Inside this section, you'll see an option called Generate Memory from Chat History or simply Memory. Turn this feature on. After enabling it, Claude can begin remembering useful information from your conversations, like your writing style, ongoing projects, preferences, goals, and topics you frequently discuss. Instead of starting from zero every time, Claude slowly builds context over time. Another useful feature is chat search. With this enabled, Claude can search through your past conversations when you ask questions like "What did we discuss last week?" or "Continue my previous project." Claude uses relevant snippets from older chats to continue the conversation naturally. You can also manage what Claude remembers. In the same memory settings page, click View and Edit Memory to see stored memories, remove certain details, or completely clear your memory history whenever you want. Now here's something important. Some memory features may not appear for every user immediately because Anthropic rolls out updates gradually depending on your account type, app version, or region. So if you don't see memory settings yet, try updating Claude or check again later. Claude also includes an incognito chat mode. When you use incognito mode, Claude will not save those conversations into memory or use them for future context. This is useful for private or temporary chats. Here's a pro tip. If you want Claude to remember things more accurately, give clear instructions during your conversations. For example, you can say "Remember that I create YouTube tutorials" or "Remember my preferred writing style." This helps Claude build more useful long-term context. Also, avoid relying on unofficial browser extensions or third-party tools claiming to unlock unlimited Claude memory. Many of those tools are unsafe or unreliable and may risk your privacy or account security. And that's it. Now you know how to make Claude remember your chat history and build smarter conversations over time in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if Claude's memory feature is already available on your account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.